Uh, Yesterday we have received around 74 responses. Am I audible to you? Please message in the WhatsApp group so that I can start my session. Please message in the WhatsApp group. Yes, sir. Okay, good afternoon, all. Yesterday we have received around 74 responses, and also we have submitted the flowers. Thank you. I will start the session within 5 minutes. So let me showcase some of the assignments which we have received. So this one is copyright image. Okay, I will start within 2 to 3 minutes. Then let me showcase some of the mode of transport. Yes, there is no chat box in the live streaming. Instead, you can post your queries in the WhatsApp group, that creation of e-content. Okay, good afternoon, all. Today, we are going to learn how to create digital posters for our school. For our school program, generally we go to banner shop, some computer designing shop, and then we create brochures for our school. Some of the teachers create using PowerPoint, and some use some mobile apps. Here today we are going to see a wonderful website which is, I'm typing the name here. Note it down. Canva. Note it down. Canva. So this is a website. Using this website, we can create digital brochures, certificates, or any form of images. Now, I'm going to Google. Okay. Now I'm going to Google. I'm typing Canva, Canva. Please note it down. After that, I'm going to click on Canva. And then here, go for sign up. I'm clicking this sign up option. If I want to sign up, you need a Google account, Gmail account, that is. I'm clicking on this Gmail account. I'm going to click. Sorry, it's getting signed in. Okay, let me do with some other account. Okay, here I'm going to sign up. Clicking sign up here. I'm going to sign up with Google account. I'm going to use some other account here. And then I'm entering password. And then I'm creating a account. Okay, now I'm going to sign in with my Gmail account. After that, you will get this type of screen. Here you can type search. In the left side, you will be having these menus. First one is home, this is home page, and the second is all your designs. Then third one is different. I'm clicking, drawing down. See here, I'm having different types of templates here. See here, the Facebook post, Instagram, and then I'm doing flyers, presentation, YouTube thumbnails, brochures. Okay, today we are going to learn about posters. Here we have lots of items mentioned here: flyers, presentation, cards, business card, that is visiting card. Is it? I'm not audible. Am I audible? Hello. Okay, now I'm sharing my screen. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. It's audible only.
Yes.
Oh,
Thank you. Thank you. But in the live stream, they are mentioning I am not audible.
yes, sir. Because
Oh. Okay, here in the templates, you can see different types of items: the cards, YouTube videos, photo collage, brochures, logos, resumes. So I'm moving up in the search box. I'm typing poster. Okay, let me do it again. When I come here, when I open this Canva, I will be getting this type of screen, right? In the left side, Here there are lots of options given here. All your designs, templates, photos, apps, and all the items are given on the left side. Here at the bottom, you can see create a design. In that you have some headings, certificate, posters, infographics, and then this one is your design, means the designs which I have created, and these are all logos, posters, thumbnails, videos, and Facebook. You have lots of items here. Okay, first in the home, I'm going for poster. So I'm typing POSTE or poster. And then I'm typing poster here. I'm getting here different types of posters. Am I audible? Please ping me a message through WhatsApp. Okay, thank you. Okay, now I'm clicking this poster, this one. I'm clicking this one. It opens in another tab. See here, I'm clicking this one. It opens in another tab. I'm closing this one. Okay. Here in the left side, you can see the different types of poster. It's about the coronavirus posters, event posters, advertising, school, poster. So we have different types of posters, the left side. Now I'm going for, okay, let me do some changes in this. If you want to see more poster, for example, I will, okay, in this school, see here, there is an option see all. I'm clicking this one. I'm getting different types of school posters. Okay, I'm closing this one. Okay. Here at the left side, you could see templates, photos, elements, text. These are all the attributions that we can change in these posters that we will see later on. Now, this poster is little bit small. So to view this one, see at the left side, at the right side, the percentage is given here. I'm clicking this percentage and then I'm going on for the fill option. See, I'm doing again. So I'm opening, I'm clicking this poster. It gets open a new tab. And then at the bottom, see here 15% is given. I'm clicking this percentage and I'm selecting the option fill. I'm clicking. Right. Now I can make changes here. I'm clicking here. While clicking here, on the top you get some option. Here, before the delete icon, you can see ungroup option. See here. Now nothing is at the top. I'm clicking here. So this text or group together. Now I am ungrouping this one. I'm clicking this ungroup. So all the text gets ungrouped. I'm clicking outside. Now I want to change the text. I'm double clicking here. I'm typing. For simply I'm typing Directorate of School Education. Now I have typed Directorate of School Education. I want this text to be little bit big. Then, so what I should do is here on the top you can see I can select different types of font. Okay, I'm not going to change any font now. And then next, the option is you can change the size. Now see the font size is 26. I'm going to increase it to 32. Now I want this Directorate of School Education to be in one line. See here on the corners of this text box, you can increase the size by dragging at this point, in this point. Suppose if you want this one to be in one line, you can click at the center, this edges, and you can drag the text box size becomes big. Okay, see here. Suppose if I want to increase the size, I can click like this and then I can move, and you see the line, pink color line, which aligns the text in the center. Screen is not clear. The next one, now I have changed. I want to change the color of Directorate of School Education. I can see, you can see here A alphabet, that one is text color. I can click this, I'm clicking this text color. I'm going to select one color. Okay. Then I want this one to be bold. Click on bold. The font gets bold. Now I'm going to click here, online, workshop, workshop on for teachers. Now I have typed online workshop for teachers. This one is center aligned. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I click this alignment, it aligns to the left. This one is to the left, and this one is justification. And then the third one, once again I'm clicking, it aligns to the left, so right, and then it aligns center. If I want to reduce the size, I can do it in two ways. One is by going here and changing the font size. There is also another option by clicking at the edge, and you can drag to increase the size or to decrease the size. I think this one. Okay, I can move. Now I want to change this color. This one is little dull, right? Now I'm clicking here. Again, I'm going for this text color. I'm going down and I'm changing the color. Suppose, and here there is also another option. For each text I can arrange the spacing also. Here on the top, you see spacing option is given here. I'm clicking this one. In this, you get two options, letter and line height. So if I am dragging this one, see here, the changes. Each alphabets are spaced. If I want this alphabet to be very closer, letters, I think this one is good. Suppose if I need spacing for the first line and the second line, if audio is not clear, just ping me a message. I am watching. The website in which I am working is Canva, Canva. Okay, I'm clicking this space. I can adjust the height also. This anchor point is up and down. That's all. Okay, till now I have made some changes. I want this poster to be saved. I am going on the top. You can see print posters. Here, there is a down arrow button. I am clicking on this and then I am clicking on the download option. And then here it is mentioned the file type. I'm clicking here. There are two options. You can select two options from this. There are many options given here. The first one is PNG. If you want to do digitally means that you want to show the poster or send a poster through WhatsApp or any other social media, you can use this PNG format. I'm selecting this PNG and then going down and clicking this download button. See, it gets downloaded. I'm opening this one. I made changes here. Okay, there is also another option to download. Suppose if I want this brochure to print in a banner, big size banner, then then you should go for PDF format. Again, I'm clicking the print posters. There is an arrow button. I'm clicking this arrow button, selecting the download option, and then clicking this down arrow button. I'm going here for digital format. You go for PNG, that is high quality for A4 size. If you need to print in a big size banner flex, then select this PDF high quality format. I'm clicking download in PDF format. I'm opening this PDF format. See the quality. I'm increasing the font size. Sorry. See the clarity. The same image I'm downloading in PNG format. You can see the edges are blurred. Maybe it will not be visible properly in the streaming. The same image in the PDF format. See the pixels, the text are very clear. Okay. Okay. Here, I am not satisfied with this color. This pale color and this pale blue, I think so. I want to change this color. I can click here, and then when I am clicking here, you could see here these three colors are given here. Suppose if I want to this yellow color, I am clicking this yellow color, and then I can select any color from this. I want to change this white color. Let me do it again. I'm clicking here. In the text box, wherever you have to change, click on that, then only the options will be available on the top. Okay, I'm clicking here, and then I'm going to change this white color to some other color, and then I'm going to change this third one to green. It may be some other political color. Okay, I am not satisfied with this color. I am not satisfied with these colors. The colors are very limited here. I am not satisfied with this color. I can also select color from this template. Okay, I'm clicking here. Now I'm moving this pointer. I'm going for this. I can select any color. Then again, I'm clicking here. I'm going for this template. Yes, that I will tell. You can change its color. I'm changing here. Suppose if I want to increase this size, again you can go to the edges. You can simply click and drag. You can increase its size. Suppose if you don't want this, simply you can click, and then there is an option delete. You can click this icon. There is also another option. You just select this one and click delete button from your keyboard. Suppose I have deleted wrongly. I want this one back. There is an option upstairs, sorry, on the top, undo, and then I can change, and then I can move forward. There is also keyboard option that you all know, I think so. Control Z for undo, Control Y for redo. Okay, I'm reducing its size. If I want to change this color also, I can change. I'm clicking here. If I want to change this one, I can change. If I want to move this dots, see, I can move. Okay, I have changed to this one. I can also lock this one. There is an option here. If I click this lock, you can't move this one. See? Okay, I am opening this lock again. I can move. Now I have changed this one. Again, I don't want this color. I can go with white. Likewise, you can also change here. And then to save, what is the procedure? Click on this down arrow button and then go for click download. And then in the file type, again click on the down arrow and then go for PNG. PNG is for digital sharing. And then for PDF, this one is for high quality. Because in digital banner shops, if you give in the PDF quality, uh, the quality of the image will be good and high. It will be very clear. So that's what we are preferring, PDF format for flexes and banners. For A4 size print quality, I think PNG, this high quality, this format will be enough. Okay, I have downloaded. Okay, let me move. I want to add one image or any image. So to the left, you can see photos. I'm clicking this photo. And one more thing, it gets automatically changed, saved. You no need to save. It automatically gets saved. See here, it is displayed here. Okay, now I want to add 46. Let me go for 25. I want to add. I'm not happy with this. Just I'm okay. Let it be. Now I want to add some more photos here. I'm going here for photos. I'm clicking this photo. Here you can select the photos which are free. See here, some crown like symbol. This one you have to pay. So when you move here, it is saying it is free. You can use these images. You can also search by topic. I'm typing for student. So these are all free images. Okay, let me do it again. Here I want to add one photo. So I'm going here and clicking on this photo. And then I'm going here. I need a teacher. Okay, student, teacher. Okay, I'm inserting. I can reduce its size. If I double click this, I can crop. And also there are also options available here. Filter, effects, sorry, filter. We can go for filter. You can change the mood of the picture. You can change the tint. If you don't like this one, you can again click this none. And then the third option is filter, sorry, adjust. You can adjust its brightness, contrast, saturation. Saturation means you can increase the color. See, if you want to blur, you can blur, you can sharpen. If I don't want this changes, I can click undo. I can reduce its size. Just I'm adding this image. Suppose I am not satisfied with the images, I can also upload from my system. I am not satisfied with this image. I am deleting this image. See here, there is an option upload. See here, I'm moving here. There is an option upload. I'm clicking this upload button. So these are all the images which I'm having already. I clicked this upload and then clicking on this upload an image or video. I'm clicking this image. I don't know where I'm having pictures. Okay, I'm going to select this one. I'm clicking open. I'm waiting for the image to get downloaded. And then I'm clicking on this image. I'm getting this image here. I don't want this text. I'm deleting here. I'm moving here, moving here. I can add my image. I'm going to give one caption here. Um, Learn. I'm increasing the size. Come, learn, explore, create. See here, I have made all the changes. To upload an image, I have to go here and click on the upload option. Please wait for a minute. Okay, I think till now it's clear. To upload image, click on this upload and then all the uploaded images will be here. To upload, I click this button, and then I'm uploading this one, PNG format. I want this image to be flipped. There is an option, flip. I'm clicking this flip. I can flip horizontally. Okay, now I have changed here. I can also change its color by going to adjust option. I'm changing its color. See, I can change into black and white. I'm increasing its color. And then I can change the contrast. To save, what is the option? Go to the top and click this down arrow button, go for download, and then there is the option PNG and PDF format. You can select in which format according to your wish. I think till now you are clear with this topic. And now I'm going home, clicking this home button. It takes some time to save. Wait. I will reload it. See here. These are all the posters. Let me explain from first. In the home page, I'm typing poster. I'm going down. I'm planning to select. Okay, let me click this one and go. I'm clicking again the same one. And then in the left side, what type? Okay, I'm going to create about a coronavirus. I'm clicking the see all. I'm clicking this one. To view this one in big size, I'm clicking this fill option. If I want to change this background, okay, I'm changing this color into mental health. The first thing is what we should do is ungroup this one. The first option is always ungroup. Click this ungroup button and then click outside. I'm changing this mental health. I want to change this background. First, I'm clicking this background. See here, I'm getting this background option. I'm clicking this background. I can change the background. There is also another option to change the background. See here, above the upload, you can see background. I'm clicking this background option. I can select any of this background. See? While choosing the background, ensure that you are selecting these free backgrounds. See, some backgrounds are paid one. Now I'm moving this one. I don't want this one. I'm moving this one. And there is some line. And then I don't want this. I'm moving this one. If I want to add any elements like textures, designs, I can click here the element option. See, first, second, third option. I'm clicking this element. You can add any type of elements here. While adding, please ensure that you are selecting the free stickers or free charts or shapes. So I'm simply clicking here. I'm getting an image. Moving this one. Okay, let me zoom it. Okay, I'm clicking this man. I can also change his color. I'm clicking here. I can change his face color to yellow. Then this color to yellow. I can change his dress color. Oops. Let's go for You can select any color as you wish. If you are not satisfied with this image, you can simply delete. And there is also option if I want to add flowers, you can add. If you want to send it back, click send to back. You can also change this color. If you don't want, you can delete this. Please wait for a minute. You can also add text box. You can add video. Okay, I think till now you are clear. Okay, let me start from first. Go to Google and search for Canva. I'm clicking this Canva and then going and then I'm signing up. And after that, we will be getting this type of screen. And then you can move down and you can select whatever template you need. And then you can search poster. And then you can select any posters here. Before doing design, please click here and then go for select for download option and see whether the copyright images, sorry, whether the paid images are in the poster. I think it's not here. I'm zooming. I can change the image also. And then to change the font, I'm clicking here. Before that, what you should do, click ungroup, but it is not grouped here. I can click here and then I can change the font type. While selecting the font type also, we ensure that here some of the crown like symbol is given. Don't select this font. You can, if you select this font, you have to pay. If you have any queries, please post it in the group. Wait, I'm opening. Yes, you can upload. Whether my screen is shared or not. Yes, you can available. You can download Canva app from Play Store. And then any other queries? Okay, here when you are going for the font, now the screen share is working. Okay, let me do it again. Here, if you want to change the font, I'm clicking this font. I'm selecting the font. While changing the font, please ensure that don't select this Pro version. Okay. Okay, how to start from background. Okay, you can select the background, you can change the background. I'm clicking this white background, I'm clicking here. This is the white background. I can go here, I can change the background type. Okay, here in the background you can't insert. There is an easy option. There is an easy option. I'm going here for background image. Okay, I'm typing. Suppose if I need this one, this one is pixels we can use. I'm clicking this one and I'm saving this one. Okay. To insert the background, you can follow the easy step. Click the upload button. Again, click the upload button. I think it's in downloads. Yeah. I'm clicking this one and then I'm opening. It's getting uploaded. Wait. Okay. Wait. You can click and drag and see, I have changed the background. Let me do it again. You have to click this one and you have to drag wherever you have to insert. See here. Now you can able to follow. See, I'm moving, dragging here. Whether I want to fix here. See, I can change the background. Suppose I want to change this background, I can click and drag and drop here. Oops. That's all. Any other doubt? Watermark. And there is no option to put outline color for the text. There are different types of text here. You can select the format here. I think you can use from here. Watermark, what watermark? I don't know. Watermark will come for the paid version. No watermark here. Next. So any other doubt? Please type in the WhatsApp. Can we add watermark? That watermark you can do it easily. Suppose I want this text to be watermarked. I'm clicking this text. See here, transparency option is there. I'm changing its size to 100, not 100. 50, okay. I can make this one as watermark. I'm clicking this text. I'm selecting these three dots. And then the third option is transparency. I'm clicking this transparency. See, you can make this one as watermark. Yes, you can create in mobile. Go to Play Store and type Canva. You can download. You can add text by clicking here. Or else you can change. Suppose here is this one is also a text box. You can click here. Suppose if you need a new text box, I'm moving up upward. See here, there are three types of text box here. Resize is for the paid version, sir. Then I'm clicking here, automatically the text box. I'm clicking here, I'm getting different type of. When I click here, I'm getting the heading text box. You can change the fonts or size. Any other questions? And you can also, there is an option for duplicate. Suppose if you need this type, you can click here. There is the option duplicate. I clicked many times. How to insert logos? Logos are like images. Suppose if I'm having any logos, go to upload and you can insert image that one as logo. Okay, if I want to add a logo, Government of Puducherry logo, I'm typing here. See here, Puducherry government, I'm clicking this one. I'm saving this image, the PNG format. Then I'm going to this. Okay, let me remove this. And then I'm clicking upload, upload image. That will be taught tomorrow, sir. Videos. Can you explore? I'm clicking. I'm clicking once. That's all. You can go and keep the logo. Yes, you can add videos in posters that in digital form that will become as a video file in video format. That will not help us. Maybe you can add little smaller clipping of your school videos. Then any other queries? Okay, today's assignment is create a poster for your school. Then any other queries? Right, very good question. Suppose, see here, there is an option. You can rotate. If you want this one to be in vertical position, you can use this type option, this option. See. Next. I can change, I can rotate its direction. Next. Okay, today's is create curved is not we can't do, sir. Yes, sir, we can't do. There is option that you can select some templates. No, no, it's not available. Then, sir, any other questions? Okay, today I will send you the link in this group, and you also inform your friends. Those who are interested, they can join this group. I will share this group link in the WhatsApp, and you can share it to your friends. And please create a brochure. Sorry, please create a poster for your school. You can add your school images, and it's up to you, or you can also add images from website also. Text mirror options. Okay, let me click this one. I think it's not available here. You can explore, sir. You don't have that option, sir. Mirror effect. That you can do it in PowerPoint. Any other queries? If you have if you have time means you can explore one more website, Crello. Please explore today. So both are same. It looks same. You can also explore Crello. Yes, you can copy and paste, sir. You can copy and paste the text. I'm copying this one. Wait. See, which I have typed there, Crello. It gets saved. Next. Please explore the another website, Crello, and there is a very little difference between Canva and Crello. Both are similar, and also there is little bit difference between the Canva website version and the mobile version. The menu item which are at the left will be at the bottom. These menu items will be at the bottom in the mobile. I think. Any other queries? Okay, I will share the assignment today. Today's assignment in the WhatsApp group. The assignment is create a brochure for your school, brochure or poster for your school. You can also add download images from the website from Pixabay or Creative Commons or Pexel or Flickr. Or else you can also create brochure for coronavirus if you wish. I give you two options. The first one is you can create brochure for your school, or else you can create brochure for to create awareness for corona. Any other queries? Okay, thank you. Thank you all. We will share the assignment today by 4 p.m. And I thank Directorate of School Education for giving me this opportunity. And you can also add, if you wish, that we will see tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to see how to create certificate. Okay, let me conclude today. The assignment